It is the stinking geranium, or Robert's geranium. I think it might have some medicinal properties, but it mostly just comes up in large numbers because it self-seeds like there's no tomorrow. When I deal with weeds in my garden, especially those easy to pull annuals, what I do is I rip and flip. Like with the cleaned up perennials, I don't really bother taking them to the compost pile or having them trucked away. That would be a loss. Just rip them out, flip them over, drop them where I ripped them, and they become mulch. This looks strange probably because most people would not leave this in the garden. They would take it away or take it to the compost or throw it away. But to me this is organic matter which has grown here, which will return to the system and return the nutrients it drew back to the soil, which is, after all, its ecological purpose is to improve soils that are lacking certain nutrients. So rip and flip and forget, and it's really easy. The only thing is you have to keep doing it. Don't let your garden be overrun with something before you start. And these are our dandelion roots. Some people will actually take these, clean them, dry them, and grind them up and roast them and use them as a coffee substitute or to make tea. It's a medicinal thing. So I probably want to save this batch and give it to my friend.